You probably didn't know this, but you can use Canva inside ChatGPT. And Canva is used for logos, it's used for social media posts, it's used for website designs, and all these different graphics that you need for your business. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kanji Lo. I'm an AI marketing strategist. I have an agency called Synapse AI, and I also do keynote speaking all over Asia as well as Australia. So I'm going to show you quickly the tool and from there, you'll be mind blown on how actually how easy it really is. So if you have a look, right? So you go to ChatGPT, you go to 4.0, or if you're on the free version, you can access any GPT that you want. So if you're thinking, oh, I need to pay $20 a month for ChatGPT, you don't actually have to. So if you go to explore GPTs, if you just type in Canva, you go to the 11 million view one, and what you can do is you can start chat, right? And then from there, you can create a whole myriad of different posts, different graphics, different logos, anything that you want from it. And it's actually tied to Canva. So a lot of you are using Canva for your business, and I feel like it's the most versatile tool when it comes to creating thumbnails, creating social media posts, any graphics, any infographics, because it's still very much widely used by the whole community that's online. So I'm going to get it to create a poster for a 6 week challenge for a gym. And I'm going to call it uh, Anywhere Fitness. Okay. Right. So I'm just going to post that and see what comes up with. So it's going to prompt you on what kind of vibe, any key details, what's the goal of the challenge as well. So I'm going to, if you actually know that beforehand, if you have specifics, you can type it in straight away, but it will prompt you, it will give you a few things to give you a chance to answer that. So, what's the vibe you want? I want it motivational. I want the start date to be, let's do the 28th of April. Who can join? Just anyone, anytime. Any, no, not anytime. Anyone, and the call to action is join. Uh, so is contact us, and the goal is uh, so transform your dream body into your dream body. Okay, okay. See what comes up with. Got so it's going to give us a summary. So it gives us a moment to again have a look at what it's thinking. So as you can see, it's giving you the link, right? So and it gives you a bit of a preview as well. Right. So obviously this does not look great, right? I don't want it to have any of these, these stop marks, and it's got everything that I need here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, can you please update the image to a man and woman uh, gym attire and also make it for 2025. All right, so I'm getting it to update again because obviously the input that I put was very vague, so that's why we got a stop mark there. So let's see what comes up now. Okay, it's got something a bit different. Okay, so I can use this. It says here there's a bit of a stop mark. So I actually will report these results because I didn't like him. But what you can do is if you really want to just change that in there, you can just go to the Canva app, right? So it's still got that picture. Oh, okay. So it actually comes up here. So if we have a look at this one as well, right? So obviously this is the old one. So it doesn't give you really a good preview of the actual tool itself, but it gives you the general gist of the photos that you want to use. So you can update in Canva and you can change the text, right? You can change it here. You can upload better pictures if you want. You can put your logo. You can change this. And same with this one as well. So it's actually given me a photo, which I asked for. And based on that, all we need to do is just update it here. So we can get it to generate a few more ideas. Um, can you give me a poster? Actually, let's just get it to give me an infographic on the money in the AI industry in Canva. Make it informative and colors. So I'm gonna get it to give me a infographic, and you can do it with the same chat. So, like for example, if you feel like you want to do other things, you can use the chat Canva GPT to give you that as well. So we'll have a look at the color schemes and a preview of this. All right, awesome. So 500 billion by 2024. So obviously we want to update this. Because the facts aren't really right. And it's always basing it off 2023. So you need to update the facts or you can do fact checking. But that's pretty much the gist of it. So you can create it in here. And as you can see, there's a bit of a lengthy text. But that's pretty much what you can do with the tool. That's the magic of Canva and the beauty of ChatGPT as well. So you can type in any prompt. If you want a list of 1,000 prompts, check in the links in the description. If you want the tools as well, you can check that as well down there too. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will catch you in the next one.